Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, you will learn about the various concepts of economics in a short period of time. Let's start. Today's topic is concept of total, average, and marginal revenue. Before a total revenue, average revenue, and marginal revenue, we should have the knowledge of the revenue. Students, when the firm sell goods and services, it receives the amount or the money or the amount of money that the firm receives by selling the goods and the services is called the revenue. In other words, revenue is the receipt of a firm from the sale of its product. Now, total revenue is the total amount of money received by the firm from the sales of its own product at the given period of time. Means when the seller or the firm sell the total amount of goods and the services, the total amount that the firm receives from the sales of its own product at the given period of time. It's called the total revenue. And the total revenue is obtained by multiplying the price of the product and the total quantity sold. Let us suppose if the price of the commodity or the product is rupees 100 and the total quantity sold is 1000. Here price P is rupees 100 and the total quantity sold is 1000. Then the total revenue TR is equals to P into Q. That means TR is equals to price we have is 100 rupees 100 multiplied by the quantity 1000. That means rupees 1 lakh is the total revenue. That means the total revenue can be obtained by multiplying the price of each unit by the total quantity sold. And after total revenue, average revenue. Average revenue is the revenue per unit of the quantity sold. And the average revenue is obtained by dividing the total revenue by the quantity sold. Let us suppose the total revenue here we have is 1 lakh and the quantity sold is 1000. Then the total revenue divided by the quantity sold, that is 1000, is equals to rupees 100. That means the average revenue is 100 and average revenue is equals to 100, which is also equals to the price P, because we all know that average revenue AR is equals to TR upon Q, or AR is equals to the value of TR. The formula of TR is P into Q upon Q, and then we cancel out this Q and Q. The remaining here is P. Therefore, the average revenue is equals to the price P. That means we should understand that average revenue is always equals to the price of the commodity. In other words, the average revenue is obtained by dividing the total revenue by the quantity sold, that means TR upon Q, and the average revenue is equals to the price of the commodity, which I just derived from this formula. And after the average revenue, marginal revenue. Marginal revenue is the addition to the total revenue by the selling of the one additional units of the output, and the marginal revenue is equals to, or it is the ratio of change in total revenue and the change in quantity sold. Here MR is equals to change in total revenue upon change in quantity sold. And marginal revenue is also equals to the total revenue of nth unit minus total revenue of n minus 1th unit. That means if the total revenue of nth unit is rupees, let us suppose 1200, and the total revenue of n minus 1th unit is 1150, then the marginal revenue is equals to 1200 minus 1150, which is equals to rupees 50. In this way we can obtain the marginal revenue. Thank you for watching my video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.